This is how you're going to add a page transition to your Wix website in Wix Studio. So first thing you're going to do is to select the site or the Wix Studio website that you want to add a page transition to. And once you're on the Wix Studio website editor, just head over to the left side panel right here and then click on the site styles icon. Now once you're here, you can see this menu at the top of this tab. So just click on this arrow to the right and until you arrive at the page transitions, and then just click on any transitions that you have available. I have here the out-in transition, and then I can just close this tab and it will already be applied. Now once we head on preview site, or we can open the website itself. Let's just publish this one to open the website and to apply the changes as well. I'm going to view my site, and then this is currently the home page. Now if we go over to the privacy policy page, you will see this out-in transition like that. So let's just go back to homepage once again to show you right there. And that's it. That's how you add a page transition to your Wix Studio website.